Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today for a little bit of autumn cleaning. That's time of year and I'm still getting ready for the winter to take hold. So I always will start with the cobwebs outside the house and a towel over a brush works perfectly. And there's nothing like a hedge to get rid of all those cobwebs. Now our house is very old, so cobwebs are a daily occurrence. And then while outside, sure, why not? Clean the windows. Every morning I'll come down to new cobwebs. It's 300 years old, this house. So cobwebs are just a natural part of my day. Now I did a video last year on some autumn cleaning and you all suggested using the wood ash to actually clean the fire door. So I gave it a go and I was seriously impressed. It's completely magic actually, it just works and you barely have to scrub that hard. So thanks for that tip. And it was far cleaner than using any vinegar or anything else. I'll always take the rugs out at this time and give them a kind of a shake out. No matter, even if you hoover, it's not the same as getting a good old shake outdoors, and the rug looks brand new. The other thing at this time of year is getting the baking soda onto the mattress. A really nice way of just cleaning it and lifting any odours. Always have the window open, leave it on for about 10-15 minutes and then hoover it up. And then because it's autumn, the leaves are starting to fall. And let me know in the comments if you're somebody that loves to sweep. I find it very relaxing and therapeutic. And the leaves all fall, I clean them all away, and then a few days later they're all back again. Now in the polytunnel there's a few little clearing things to be done. So these tomatoes, they're not going to get any more ripe here. So I take them all off and I bring them into, we got a little potting shed. And then I'm going to leave them in the sun and they will turn yellow. These are yellow tomatoes, beautifully sweet. And the tomato plants then will need to be pulled and lifted and everything will be composted. So everything's dying off, settling down, getting quieter and slower. And this is some kale. And we'll have this for over the winter. And these are dark green leafy vegetables, really high in iron, among other things. And they're really good to grow in Ireland, really hardy. So there's always something you can grow. We don't grow as many vegetables in the winter. But it's always nice to have something on the go. So I'd really like to know down below if this is the time of year when you feel everything just quietening down. If you remember a few weeks ago collecting the pine cones and drying out the orange rinds. So it's the time of fire season. And then our family members give us their newspapers. And there's something wonderful about lighting a fire. Watching it start and watching it grow. So thank you very much for watching this little video of some kind of ramblings around the house and the garden. Getting ready for the winter. I'll talk to you down below or on Instagram. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next video.